Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing amazingly well. Before I start, I just want to apologize to you guys. As you can probably hear, I have a cold at the moment, so you will have to excuse my nasally voice for the time being. However, what I will be showing you guys in this video is how to do a shockwave or a nitro shockwave in Asphalt 9 Legends, if this actually wants to serve me for a change, since my recordings stop at random times. But yeah, to explain shortly what a nitro shockwave is, it is a big burst of speed, unlike the actual standard nitro. The standard nitro is fast in itself. However, a nitro shockwave is different in the fact that it gives you a much larger speed boost, and the way you actually need to do it, or the way that you can do it, is by actually filling up your bar to the maximum, as you can see, and by double tapping, as you can see on my screen right now, by double tapping the nitro button, you will do a nitro shockwave, which gives you a huge burst of speed, as you have seen demonstrated right now. Let me try and get it once more. As you can see, my nitro bar is full, and once I land on the bottom, double tap it again, and as you can see, the nitro shockwave just slingshots me way ahead of my opposition, and I have just run the race thanks to it. Now, this is, excuse me for the cough, this is done exactly as I've shown you guys. You do need a maximum nitro bar. You do this by either collecting nitro power-ups, or by drifting, or by doing several maneuvers, such as a 360, and once it is at its maximum, it will glow purple. Once it does, just double tap the nitro icon and you will do a shockwave, and just go straight ahead of your opposition and quite possibly win the race. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.